Hey everyone, it's me Rakhi. Namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is my day 5 of doing a yoga challenge. आज हम करेंगे serenity stretch for 15 to 20 मिनट एंड जो भी वीडियो मैं फॉलो कर रही हूँ उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी. So you can also try it out and you can also check it out. So basically जो ये stretching होती है it helps in reducing your stress, it improves the flexibility. सो आई थिंक योगा में जो भी हमारे पोजेज या कुछ भी होता है दे आर मेनली फोकस टूवर्ड अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेचिंग. ऑल्सो इनहेल एंड एक्सेल, यू हैव टू फोकस टूवर्ड योर ब्रीथ दैट व्हेन you are inhaling, when you are exhaling. So there are something about yoga which I write it down. So the first one is that ancient origin. So basically the yoga has been participated for thousands of years. Originally in ancient India, its rich history and cultural significance make it fascinating practice to explore mind-body connection. Yoga is not just about physical posture, it emphasizes the connection between the mind, body and breath. So basically it mainly target toward the three main area and I think ऐसा होता भी है that जब भी हम योगा करते हैं हम mentally बहुत aware होते हैं, हम अपने breath पर ध्यान देते हैं, also हम अपनी body के पूरे part पर भी ध्यान देते हैं. So the next one is health benefit. Numerous scientific study have been shown that yoga offer a wide array of health benefit including reducing your stress and anxiety, improve flexibility and strength, better sleep quality and enhance the mental focus. So the next one is global reach. जो योगा है has transcended cultural boundaries and is practiced worldwide. So basically there are a lot of facts about a yoga which I write it down, but I tell you only few which I think that it is important to tell you guys. So I just love doing a yoga nowadays because yoga करने से you have a lot of mental calmness and mental peace and ये चीज़ मुझे भी दिख रही है. I don't know that I see any changes in my body, but योगा मैंने अपनी बॉडी में कोई चेंजेस देखने के लिए नहीं किए थे, बट आई थिंक आपकी बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है विच इज़ अ रियली प्लस पॉइंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू डू अ योगा. So I hope you all like my series of doing a yoga challenge and I also want you to do a yoga challenge because life में कुछ ना कुछ exercise करना बहुत important होता है. So try something from today, like अगर कुछ भी छोटी से छोटी exercise होगी so always try it out no matter कि तुम कर पा रहे हो या नहीं कर पा रहे हो. So yeah. So hey guys, I just want to tell you about something, but I just want that if I don't pronounce the name correctly, please correct me in comment section. And I don't know how do I pronounce the name. So basically BKS Iyengar was a famous yoga teacher from India. He was born in 1918 and grew up in a large family. When he was young, he was sick a lot, but yoga helped him gather healthier. He started learning yoga when he was a teenager and he became a very good at. He made his own style of yoga called Iyengar yoga. In this type of yoga, he focused a lot on how to do the poses correctly and use things like blocks and blanket to help. He wrote a book called Light on Yoga, which shows many yoga poses and explain how to do them. BKS Iyengar traveled all over the world to teach yoga to people. He wanted everyone to be able to do yoga no matter how old they are or if they were sick or not. He helped start many yoga schools and centers in different countries. Even though he passed away in 2014, BKS Iyengar yoga style and teaching are still popular all around the world.